everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV. Hope you guys are well, and today we're gonna do a Gucci unboxing. And this is a purse. This purse is actually for my 17-year-old son. It's his birthday gift, and let's unbox it together. Try this on at the store. We went to California and visited Disneyland, and then we went to Rodeo Drive and stopped by the Gucci store, and we went there to buy him a sandal, but he doesn't like the sandal that they have. So we tried this purse and he loves it. So this is actually his first designer purse, and this is it, guys. And this is it, guys. This is really pretty. I have not seen this bag before. The SA that helped us is so gracious, and he chose this bag for my son to try on. And this is it, guys. It's called a messenger bag. I think it's called a black small messenger bag. And the back, and it's leather here on the side, and it has this big zipper that has a Gucci edge to it and none at the back. And this one also has the logo, and same thing here on the opposite side of the zipper. It has a Gucci edge to it and none at the back. And this is from men's collection, so as you've noticed, the zipper is really big, and also the zipper pull. And inside has this big space, which I love. I also tried this on and actually love it. It has a small pocket here, and also two card holders here. One and then two. Let me see if it can fit a card. Yes, so it's a card holder as it fits. And also here on the big slip pocket, I can fit my iPhone 12 Pro Max standing up, and it will hit up to here, so you can put it standing up here at the back pocket. And here it has a slip pocket which goes all the way down, and the phone will not fit in here, but it will fit the cards and also some essentials that you have. It will fit in here. A compact will also fit in here. And let's see what else can fit. So I have this Purell hand sanitizer, and it will fit easily here on the second compartment. And this is really a nice size bag that could fit your wallet and your phone, and also your compact and your essential stuff. It can fit in this bag. It looks small, but it actually fits a lot. And one thing that I like about this bag is this hardware. It has a beautiful hardware that is attached, so you will not be able to remove this, but it is beautiful, guys, and it can turn around. And also this canvas blue and red strap, and it's leather. It has a leather tab in here, and also has a beautiful big chunky hardware. And it has a pad here for the shoulders, which looks like in leather, and all the way canvas here. And it looks really pretty on, guys. If you will put it on your shoulder crossbody, it looks like this. And women can also rock this purse. Really nice. And I think I paid $980 for this, but with tax, because we got this at Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills Gucci store. So here's the price. So this is $980 US dollars, and I paid a total of $1,073.20 US dollars with tax. Looks like they also charged 10 cents for the shopping bag. My son loves it, and it is a nice experience that he was able to choose something that he likes from the store. And he's not into designer items, but when we went in there, they started looking around. My eldest son didn't choose anything, but my second son, he chose this bag, which is so surprising because each time I have a brand new purse, he'll look at it and he will say like, it looks nice, but I didn't really realize that he will one day like a designer bag for himself. And I told him that if he'll take good care of this, he can pass it on to his son, as this is a sturdy, iconic purse. And let's put what fits inside, guys. I have this Minio case and this Louis Vuitton pouch, and let's put it in here. And as you can see, it still fits a lot. And I have this bulky Louis Vuitton sunglasses, and it's all fit in here. And it fits. And let's say I'm gonna put all these card holders. I have a YSL, Hermes, Bastia, and this Chanel card holder. And it fits. And I'll have this sanitizer, which I'll put it in here. And a compact, which I'll put it in here. So it does fit a lot, guys. And it is nice that the purse really started very light, so it will not really wear your shoulders down if you're gonna wear it. And this is what it looks like crossbody, which is very, very flattering. It's understated as it is black, but it is really a nice looking purse. And you can pair it with any outfits that you have, especially if you have a blue, a navy blue color and red. And I really love it. I would like this for myself as well, but for now I will enjoy looking this purse at my son's. And let's see if the items that I carried here in my Hermes Evelyn 29 will fit in this bag. And this is the size reference, if you will look at it. And here at the side, it looks like this. So let's see. I have this Chanel sunglasses that I really, really love, and I will put it inside the bag. And also I have this Recto Verso wallet, and this YSL lipstick, and this sanitizer, hand sanitizer, and I have a clip for my hair, and I think that's it. So yeah, everything fits inside the purse. And let's close it. I really, really like this purse, guys. Here, it's so flattering, and I guess men and women can rock this purse. It does not really cost much compared to other purses. This is $980 US, and I think with the prices of purse right now, this is such a practical and functional purse. And it's from Gucci, and it's very, very nice messenger small bag which fits all your essentials. Let me know what you think of this, guys, as I really love this purse, and I know my son will gonna enjoy this for the years to come. And we'll do a quick measurement on this purse so that you'll have an idea. And I believe this is not a new design purse, so this is like 8 1/4 across, and the height is 9 inches, and then the width is 2, so 2 inches width all around the purse. What I love about this purse also is the thick strap that it has, and it is just a practical piece. So let me know what you think of this, guys, as this is a really nice entry purse for my 17-year-old son. And I like that the zipper slides easily. This is what's nice about designer purses, as it has really nice hardware on the zippers. And I have here a Louis Vuitton Keepall XS from the watercolor collection. And as you can see, it also has a thick zipper pull, and also the zipper is made thicker than the other women's purse. It's nice that both are just sliding easily when you open it. So that's it, guys, and this is the Gucci small messenger black purse, which is so beautiful, and it has a black canvas with GG logo, and it has a silver hardware and this very cute red and navy blue canvas strap. May all of you have a wonderful day, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!